Today we're looking at sample problems from section 8.3 on equations of lines and linear models. We'll be working from page 385 in our textbook. And our first problems are matching. And so 1 through 4 is the first group of matching. Match each equation in column 1 with the correct description given in column 2. So in number 1 we have y equals 4x. It says A is slope negative 2. Well, that's not correct. B, slope negative 2. Again, not correct. C, passing through the points 0, 0, and 4, 1. Well, this would go through the point 1, 4. Not the point 4, 1. So answer is D. Passing through point 0, 0, and 1, 4. Okay, number 2, y equals 1/4 times x. That would be passing through the point 0, 0, and 4, 1. So that's answer C. Number 3, y equals negative 2x plus 1. Has a slope of negative 2. Okay, so we have to test this 4, 1. Give us a true statement? No. 0, 1. Yes, that would. So answer B. Okay, and the last one, y minus 1 equals negative 2 times x minus 4. That would become y equals negative 2x plus 8 plus 1 plus 9. So let's see. I think A is the only thing we have left. Slope negative 2 and passing through 1. That would be correct, so that's answer A. Okay, 5 through 12 we have graphs in A through H. So in number 5 we're looking for the graph of y equals 2x plus 3. So the y-intercept is 3 and the slope is 2. Okay, and it has to be a positive slope. So that means A, F, or H, and the only one that intersects the y-axis at 3 is A. So that would have to be it. Okay, y equals negative 2x plus 3. Okay, so our slope will be going negatively. So that's C, D, or G. And again, the y-intercept is 3, so it's answer D. Number 7, y equals negative 2x minus 3. So we have a negative slope again. And so that's C, G, or F. No. C or G. And we have the y-intercept is at negative 3, so that's C. Okay, y equals positive 2x minus 3. So we want a positive slope. We've eliminated A, so it's either F or H. And we need a y-intercept at negative 3, so that would be F. Alright, y equals 2x. Positive slope, y-intercept is at the origin, so that would be H. Okay, number 10, y equals negative 2x, so we want a negative slope and a y-intercept at the origin, that would be G. 11, y equals 3 is a horizontal line going through 3 on the y-axis, so that's answer B. And y equals negative 3 is a horizontal line going through negative 3 on the y-axis, so that's answer E. Okay, 14. Use the geometric interpretation of slope, rise divided by run, to find the slope of each line. Then by identifying the y-intercept from the graph, write the slope-intercept form. Okay, the number 14, the slope is 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Up 4 to the right 2, so that's a slope of 2. The y-intercept is the point 0, negative 4. So y equals 2x minus 4 would be our equation. Okay, in number 16, our slope is, we go down 2 and to the right 4. So that's negative 1/2. The y-intercept is 0, 2. So we'd have y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. All right, 18 says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line satisfying the given condition. So we have a point and the slope, so y is y1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we want to use the point slope form, and in number 18 we're given negative 1/6 and m equals negative 5/6. So y minus, this is going to be our y1, equals negative 5/6 times x minus the negative 1, oops, be plus 1. Okay, we have 5/6. Let me go up here. So I'm going to add the 6, which is 36/6. So I get y equals negative 5/6x plus 31 over 36. Final answer. Okay, the next one goes through 7, negative 2. Slope is 1/4. So y minus the negative 2 would be plus 2 equals 1/4 times x minus 7. Substituting into the point slope form, y plus 2 equals 1/4 x minus 7/4, and we want to add 8/4. Which is equivalent to 2. Go up here. Y equals 1/4 x plus 1/4. Not adding, I should be subtracting here. Correct that, and negative 15/4. Looking over my work, I realized I made an error there. Okay. That should be okay. Now it looks right. All right, 26. We have point is negative 2, negative 4, negative 2, and our slope is 0. So that means it's a horizontal line, which is a line of the form y equals, and we want to pick the y coordinate. Okay, number 30. And we want vertical, which means undefined slope. That means it's going to be of the form x equal to a number. So we want to go with x equals 5/8. Number 34. We're to write the equation in slope-intercept form. This time we're given 2 points, 5, -2, and -3, 14. So we want to use our 2 points to find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I've got 16 over -8. It's a -2. So now y minus, I'm going to use the first point, 2, equals -2 times x minus 5. Y plus 2 equals -2x plus 10. We want to subtract 2 from both sides. And we get y equals -2x plus 8. Final answer. Number 40, we're doing the same thing. -2, 2, and 4, 2. So first thing is to find a slope, 2 minus 2 over 4 minus a -2. So over 6 is a slope of 0. That means we have a horizontal line, and that's of the form y equal to, and we can see in both cases, 2. 46. So m is 5, b is 15, and so y equals mx plus b. Gee, that was an easy one. Okay, slope is -3/4. Y-intercept is 0, 7. So again, y equals -3/4 x plus 7. Okay, and number 56. We're to write the equation in slope-intercept form, give the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so we have 6x plus 5y equals 40. So we want to isolate the y. So I'll subtract 6x from both sides. Okay, then divide everything on both sides by 5. We end up with y equals -6/5 x plus 8. Okay, we want the equation of the line that goes through -1, 3, and it's parallel to -x plus 3y equals 12. Okay, so I need to find the slope of this parallel line. Divide everything by 3. So parallel lines have the same slope, so our m is 1/3. So y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1 would become a plus 1. Y minus 3 equals 1/3 x plus 1/3. Y equals 1/3 x, 9/3, plus 10/3. Okay, number 66, we have through the point 84, perpendicular to x equals -3. So that's a vertical line. That means we need a horizontal line. So that's going to be y equal to the y coordinate, which is 4.